And come to the sound check party. This is where I basically test out the microphone and my voice and my ears and make sure everything's working, and you guys get to be a part of it. Let's play some music.
Make it last.
here, my London Lovato, are so supportive and unbelievable and so passionate. So thank you for coming and supporting me. You guys are supporting the single, which is amazing. I've always wanted my music to play over here, and you guys are making that dream come true, so thank you. Travel this far across the world, but being able to do it while living your dream is absolutely incredible. And I don't get to come here enough, but I will be changing that. I will be back very soon. If you want to know how soon, I don't really know him that well, but he knows. I got one more song for you guys. I do hope to see you when I come back very soon. And if I see enough of you, maybe that'll make my label make me get back out here. So, anyways, that's all I have to say. You drive the blue car and you're a crazy driver. Every time you follow us, that's probably a good thing. No, yes. We thought you were drunk too. No, I'm just kidding. No, okay, this girl's been following us around all week. That would be fine if you guys seen you like drive over the curb like 4 times. She just said she just got pulled over by the cops. I said that's probably a good thing. You're like my driving in LA. Anyways, with passionate fans like you, that's what I have here in London, so I love it. I have one more song for you guys, and I